Okay, so we need to multiply binary numbers. Right, what would you try and do then now? So
I'll put in a column.
good. So that's a good start, isn't it? So it worked before. So 1, 0, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 0, 0. So we've got to try and do that. Okay. How are we going to try and do that then?
Oh yeah. Oh no, it's not. So it's not addition.
Well,
You do 1 time.
okay, let's have a go. 1
Yes,
times
yeah,
0.
0. 0, 0.
No, anything times 0 is 0. So 0.
Okay.
0,
But
0.
that's still the same. 0, 0.
1
So
times 0.
0.
0.
But this can't be
Zero
because
again.
no.
Yeah, because anything in anything times 0 is 0. So even if it's 24 times 0.
Do you think?
But I don't know if that's the same in binary.
That's what I was
good.
thinking.
So I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's, like we did with adding and subtracting, let's convert it into base 10 like we know it first. And then write down the answer in binary alphabet.
It will be
So,
100.
remember the columns, like we said, is a 1, a 2,
4, 8.
8. Okay, so this top number is actually an 8, a 2 and a 1, which makes it an 11. And this would be a 4. So let's multiply 11 times 4. And the answer is? Easy, yeah?
42.
Look how easy it feels in base 10.
10 is a good number.
Base 10 is lovely. It just makes you realise how easy we've got it. Now, what is 44, though, as a binary number? So what we're saying is this... Well, we know this number isn't 44, so that must be wrong. Okay, so what number should it be? So what is 44 as a binary number? Can you remember how to do it? So we've got to do a 1... Sorry, use a different colour. So we've got to use a 1, a 2, a 4, an 8, a 16, a 32. Okay, so how do I convert 44 into binary number? Do you remember doing that now? You were doing it so well last time. Jaina, what do you reckon?
Oh yes, I know.
Oh, go on then.
Sorry. So 44 goes into 32 once.
32 goes into 44
Sorry.
once.
So you put a 1 there.
Yeah.
And what remains is...
So should we subtract 32?
12.
So it's 12 left.
Yeah.
So that
and
means...
so 60... No.
No 16s.
No.
8.
But 8, yes.
We have
12.
an 8. So we subtract the 8
4.
and we're left with a 4.
So you put a 1 under the 4 and 0, 0.
0, 0. Okay, so this answer was completely wrong then.
Yeah.
So let's just rewrite, because obviously it might help us figure it out. So actually 1, 0, 1, 1 multiplied by 1, 0, 0 is not 1, 0, 0, but 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1.
It would just be easier than was the first answer.
But it's not. Because we know that is just 8, and the answer should be 44. Now, any figured out what we did wrong?
0 does not. Like, we said anytime.
Well, do you know what we did? Is you didn't think properly about how you do column multiplication. So I'm going to take you back to this, what this is all about, helping you understand base 10 a bit better. What if I asked you in base 10 to do 5,210 multiplied by 52, or even 152. Let's do it like that. What would you do? How would you do that?
Well, we do 0 times 2.
0 times 2 is
0.
yeah.
And we do 0 times 5. No.
You would do 2 times 0. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 5 is 10. How then we do 5? So we start, we have to add a 0. 5 times 0 is 0.
5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So you put the 0 there and the 2 under, the 1 under the 2.
25 with,
20.
okay.
And
Then
1 times 0.
we have
so
to
you
do
put a 0.
2 zeros. 1 times 0 is 0.
1 times 1 is 1. 2. 5.
And then what do we
add them
do?
all together.
Add them all together. So we get
So
0.
0, 2, 9, 1, 8, 8.
1, 6,
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that.
another 9,
8.
7.
Oh, sorry, sorry.
So do you notice what you did there that you didn't do with the binary?
Yes.
Because
We didn't add them all together.
well,
Yes.
actually, we didn't. All we did was
Yeah.
0 times 1, 0 times 1, 1 times 0.
0 times 1, 0.
So should we have another go, see whether we can get this answer? Okay, so let's have another go using what we've learnt. 1, 0, 1, 1 times 1, 0, 0. So let's see whether it does work. So 0 times 1.
0. 0 again. 0 again. And 0 again.
Then let's
You
put
add
a
on
0.
1 0, and then 0, 0, 0, 0. And then you add another 2 zeros.
And then it's
Oh, is that 10?
1.
1 and 1 is.
It's a multiply, isn't it?
1
Wait, so 1 times 1 is 1.
is 1. Yeah.
1. A 0. 1. Yay, we got the answer.
0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1. Is that what we wanted?
Yes.
It is. So actually,
You can do that one.
it works fine as long as you do it right. The proper column method. Okay? So just
But
write.
it is the same answer as that one.
Exactly.
So we did it correctly.
It's the same answer as when we did it converting 44 into the right number.
Yeah.
Right? We got it wrong here first time, but we checked that was what we should have got, and now using column method we've shown we do get it. Using exact just by doing 1 times 1 and 0 times 1 makes it really easy to multiply then, yeah? Really easy to multiply as long as we get column method right.
Yeah.
So we add those together. Brilliant. Lunchtime.